So if anybody's been following along, I've been doing a major panel upgrade, completely redoing it. And, as with any project, I got a little bit of ADHD, I guess. I start going off on tangents and working on other things. So what was a panel project ended up with a bunch of other little toys added, some new fairings being made, redid the lower intersection fairings, the upper intersection fairings for the gear legs, added the backup G5 now, and we also installed a smoke system that was supposed to be secret before I got to fly it with my buddies. And unfortunately, I was helping him do some troubleshooting, and he happened to be looking at my plane and noticed the tank in there. So it was given away the day before we got to go fly, but today we finally got to go out and test fly. I definitely have a steep learning curve on all these new gadgets. But man, the power of everything tied together, the new technologies compared to what I learned IFR flying in, which is a traditional 6-pack, to this full glass panel tied to the GPS with a flight director and everything else. It's just amazing. I was planning on shooting several instrument approaches today, just visually by myself, just operating the systems and everything. I only ended up doing one. But I mean, it just, with the synthetic vision, the flight director and everything, I think once I really get these systems down, it's going to make instrument flying, almost like cheating compared to what I learned. So me and a couple of my buddies, we took off. We went and found, you're going to really like some of the pictures. We found old abandoned airstrip and some really cool buildings. Again, we were just having too much fun. I forgot to get any GoPro footage of it. I got a few snapshots. I didn't take any video while we were there. And then after we left there, we headed back to another local airport where one of our friends is based at. And on the way back, me and a buddy of mine that also has an RV4 did a little bit of dog fighting. He completely kicked my ass. I freely admit that. But we had a whole lot of fun playing around, just having fun, what these planes were designed for. And then after we got back there, goofed around with a few other little things. And when I left there, before I headed home, I actually remembered to turn the GoPro on. So I got some footage there doing a couple of rolls and half Cuban 8s and playing around. So not as much flight video as I would have liked, but there is some in there. And it was just a fun day. Really fun. Hope you enjoy it. you enjoyed the video. I'm having fun learning to make these videos and that, and definitely need to invest in a few more cameras so you guys can get some better angles and really appreciate, you know, how much fun I'm having up there. I do plan on getting one for inside the cockpit so that you guys can see how all the new systems integrate, especially when I go out and shoot some practice approaches. You guys can really see how the flight director, the synthetic vision, and all that works with the new Garmin 175 IFR GPS. It's just amazing how everything works together. But yeah, I hope everybody had fun. You know, leave me some comments. Let me know what you think I can do better. And like the videos, subscribe. And, you know, if everybody keeps liking them, I'll keep making them. Otherwise, I'll just have fun flying.